Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dry skin. We have fantastic beauty hacks to keep your skin hydrated, plump, and glowing. Gentle cleansing is key. Avoid harsh cleansers that strip away natural oils. Opt for a creamy cleanser or cleansing balm that removes makeup and dirt without drying your skin. Ditch the hot showers. Hot water can further dehydrate your skin. Opt for lukewarm water when washing your face and limit shower time. Apply a moisturizer generously to your face and neck while your skin is still damp to lock in moisture. Choose a rich moisturizer with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or shea butter. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, allowing your moisturizer to penetrate deeper. However, avoid harsh scrubs that can irritate dry skin. Look for masks with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, honey, or aloe vera. Apply them 1 to 2 times a week for a boost of moisture. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. These provide essential nutrients for healthy skin. Sun exposure can damage any skin type, including dry skin. Always wear sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Even on cloudy days, by incorporating these beauty hacks into your routine, you can combat dry skin and achieve a healthy, radiant glow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below what your biggest struggles are with dry skin.